The key to safe driving is keeping your eyes on the road. Hyundai's available head-up display can make that easier. It projects valuable information like navigation instructions and speed on a transparent, retractable screen atop the instrument cluster. But the head-up display only functions once it is activated. Make sure the ignition is on. Use the button on the lower left side of the dash panel to activate the head-up display. Once activated, the display will open automatically whenever the ignition is on or the vehicle is running. It will retract automatically when the engine is turned off and the doors are locked, or if the engine is turned off for more than 5 minutes. The display can show turn-by-turn navigation instructions, the speed limit signs you are passing, your speed, cruise control settings, audio settings, and warning lights. You can also see blind spot collision warning alerts. You can also enable the Sport display. To do this, make sure that the ignition is on. Then use the LCD display control button to go to User Settings and select Head-Up Display. Select Sport Display. Here you have two options. Selecting Enable in Sport mode will change the display to Sport Display if you select Sport mode for the transmission. Selecting Enable in DS mode will change the display to Sport Display if you select Manual Shift mode for the transmission. When either feature is enabled and activated, the head-up display will show a tachometer for engine RPM, the speed limit signs you are passing, your speed, audio settings, vehicle warning lights, transmission shift indicator, and blind spot collision warning alerts. It's a great tool, but it needs to be used properly. It may be difficult to read if the driver is seated too high, too low, or to the side. Wearing contacts or glasses, especially polarized sunglasses, can impact visibility. That's also true of bright lights, both inside and outside the cabin, and by reflections off a wet road. And of course, you'll see nothing if the head-up display projector is obstructed. There are adjustments you can make to enhance visibility, and there are display customization options. Go to User Settings and select Head-Up Display. There you'll see your options. You can adjust the display height, its angle, its brightness, the information you want displayed, and the size and color for your speed projection. Once you have the system optimized to your needs, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.